To disable touch function of your Galaxy Buds Live that are connected to your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to enable block touches option. To do so, while you are wearing both AirPods, go to the app screen, find wearable app. To find it quickly, tap the search bar at the top of the screen, type the app name, and then tap the app to open it. If this app doesn't display your Galaxy Buds Live, tap the three horizontal line icon, and then select your Galaxy Buds Live, tap touch control. Now tap the gray on off switch next to block touches until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When block touches option is on, your Galaxy Buds Live will do nothing when you do any touch interaction on it, such as single touch, double touch, triple touch, or touch and hold. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.